Hey guys, welcome back to Initial Speed. Today I am just running around doing errands, so hitting up my supplier. She's on the road, so I'm gonna try to meet up with her, and then I believe I'm gonna go off to a shop to get my CV boot changed. Yes, I can change it myself, but having a bad day physically, and I've got a photo shoot on Friday, so. Alright, so made the first stop, got my stuff for detailing, got in a little box over here on the floor, off to the shop traffic. Off to the shop to get that CV boot replaced. Darn traffic.
Is the connection inside of the bag itself.
Came to change the CV boot and found out that both tie rod ends, inner and outer on both sides, need to be changed. So that's what we're up to. I'm getting bad at this. Alright, well, I guess I didn't give you enough information. To fix the CV boot, we had to remove the wheel, remove the caliper, the rotor, big nut that holds the drive axle in, pop that out of the hub assembly, slide that boot off, slide a new boot on, fill it with grease, and reverse. That's what we did. Then the outer tie rod, it's just two nuts that lock the shaft in place. Maybe one day I'll get under the car and show you guys exactly, but that's what was done. Okay, so came in to do the CV boot and discovered that the outer tie rods were bad. So instead of letting me go, he replaced those. Great guy. Tech Plus. You can't see it from here. Tech Plus. Good guy, good shop. Anyhow, let me just show you some of the things that I'm seeing in this parking lot. We got family. Okay, well, that was a short one. Thanks for watching. Come back. I'm sure we've got better stuff on the way. This is just kind of a placeholder.